Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add transition effect in CapCut. So just add your videos, the videos that you want to edit into CapCut like this. And to easily add transition effects, you can just click on this white box in between the clips. So CapCut will lead you into the transition feature. Here there are lots of options and category that you can select for your edits. You can choose the same transition effect for all of your edits, or you can also use a different transition. So let's say I want to use a paper ball transition for the first and second clip. Click on the check icon, and here click on the transition box again and select the other transitions that you want to choose. So for example, I'm going to use the pull in. Click on the check icon. So this will be the result for the transition. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button.